There we go, and we're live. Good morning, young man.
I haven't been called that in a minute. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
Thought I'd try to be a comedic person in the morning here.
All right.
Also hit 520 subscribers. 523 subscribers yesterday. So I officially applied for the first level of monetization. Anyways.
You may have to delete the music. I keep getting notifications about it with copyright issues.
Really?
Even though it's from the StreamYard free thing, I keep every day and get a notification about the music.
It's even from YouTube now. Like all this music is downloaded from YouTube.
Oh, that's nuts! Because I literally every day get a copyright violation notice.
Huh.
Wow, YM is just dumping. Woo! Mama?
Whoa, my lord. Yeah. Jeez.
Alright.
Oh, and look at that. It bounced 100 points there.
It's a hell of a wick. It's a hell of a wick.
Holy smokes.
So I'm staying out of this this whole bunch of hooey right now.
This is nasty. Holy crap, man.
Midnight price went straight through it, came back above it.
That was almost a 200 point bounce, actually. Like a 200 point flush with a 200 point bounce.
All right.
That's how dreams are made, and dreams are broken at the same time.
Somebody was on the winning end of that. Somebody was on the losing end.
Yeah.
I'm glad I stayed out of it. Good gordita.
Well, it makes sense to wait for opening range to be set here.
Yeah, today is going to be that day. Now watch, this YM candle is going to turn green.
Wow. What a savage beast.
That is just wow. That's all I got.
And now watch is probably going to also head all the way back down to the bottom. just because. Let's just retrace it 4 times.
Oh, right.
Hey, Keith. Good morning, sir. How are you doing this morning? I think we got about 7 people, 7 new people in Discord also yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Well, you're just killing it, aren't you? Look at
These evening streams are being really good.
April contracts on gold are pretty bullish right now.
Did the contracts change?
Oh no, I'm sorry. Just when I pull them up, I just make sure they're the J's.
Oh yeah, I see April 26th on mine too. Nice. Yeah, they popped up.
Yeah, it's been going up steadily since about 5:40 a.m. Higher highs, higher lows. Tempted to buy a single mini on gold and see if it gets up to that level 3 on the VWAP bands. I'm not going to, but I'm tempted.
Yeah.
why I'm still being a bitch. And Cube is dropping. Well, I got nothing today.
Yeah, at the moment.
It's gonna be another be patient day.
Yeah.
So at some point next week, I'm gonna be on prop firm match again.
Nice. Hey, Namit. Good evening or good morning. I got yesterday. That's the first thing I said. I was like, "Hey, Johan. Good morning." Oh, it's good evening. Now I'm saying good evening in the morning here. So
Just burning the candle at both ends, right? You need to to make
I'm a
sure you
little
take some
short on
days
sleep.
off and
So
get some rest. You deserve it. You've been working hard.
Johan, good morning. There we go. I did it right this time.
Hey, look at you.
Johan made, I think she made like 1,200 yesterday on silver
No shit.
last night.
That's impressive. I have been staying very far away from silver.
So it took four or 5 hours, 6 hours maybe to get up to the high of London yesterday, and then it took 1 hour to get back down.
And you were in that trade for all 4 hours, right?
Yeah, I bought it. I bought yes. Let's see here. Yeah, I still have my executions on the chart here. I bought ES at my first entry was in at 15:55, so that's 4 p.m. basically my time, so 7 p.m. East Coast, and
All right.
the close to trade at 20:45. So that's 9:45, so which is 12:45 East Coast. So
You definitely have more patience than I do.
you know, I actually even had a nap in the middle before the stream started. Because I had one runner, I had stop break even. I was like, okay, I'm going to take my nap and I'll be back live for the rest of the stream. And then, yeah. You see it flagged yesterday and then swept liquidity at the top at 950s.
No, I didn't see that.
Oh, that's a Namit was saying there that, yeah, and we did. We swept highs. We popped up and rejected off the highs on NQ at 950 there. And then it's been a sell off since.
Got some orders on gold here.
looks like for NQ or ES here, overnight VWAP seems to be the current roadblock.
On ES, I haven't
Yeah.
even looked at ES yet. I've been bouncing between NQ, YM, and gold.
Let me take a look at NQ. Kind of looks the same on NQ here. We're just being held down by that overnight VWAP there. We started a VWAP. I mean, I'm starting to think that we're going to be bearish today. I mean, we haven't touched value area low at all. We basically went all the way up to previous day high, and then now we're rolling over. If we can't retake New York or the overnight VWAP, and then we get below point of control at 24,755, like I could definitely see us heading down to value area low.
Before I get into anything, until VWAP is, the New York VWAP is established, wait for that gravitational pull toward it. Because I'm not looking at the price action on NQ right now. I'm neither bullish nor bearish.
Yeah, the main reason also is because, like Namit said, there's like we already swept London highs, so obviously there's no guarantee. But yeah, we'll see how if we end up we rejected off the overnight VWAP there again, and Dow's going higher now. Look at Dow, man! What the heck, man?
Yeah.
What the heck?
I'm gonna wait till this opening range shakes out a little bit more.
225 points down, then it recovers, and it goes up by like over 100 points. So it's like a 300 point
So
like move, right?
So you can make, or you can lose. Yeah, you can definitely lose money coming and going. So
Yeah. Luke's in RUT calls. Nice. Good luck with that. Tim, good morning, sir. Namit, I slept and it swept. Nice. All right. Well, hey, the bearish thesis might be getting thrown out the window right here.
yeah, we just swept the orders at 35. We got orders up above at 24,900. That's a nice 50-point move.
Yeah.
We can just find a good entry point. Got 2 minutes until the opening range is set.
Wow, YM, man. Holy crap. What a beast.
Yeah. just slap down.
Yeah.
I'll put this on the 30-second chart first for a little bit here.
Luke said there's a Fed meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern. We'll probably be long gone before then, but
Yeah, I'm not sticking around till 2 o'clock.
But thank you for the info. Nice candle on NQ, yeah. Definitely a strong take of the VWAPs there. Sort of found some resistance at previous high. Ooh. So we do have a bearish fair value gap here that we're playing with value area high right in the middle of this bearish fair value gap. 863.75 is the middle of that. Wouldn't mind seeing some sort of inversion here.
Well, we got an opening range on YM 490 to 874.
490 to 874. Like, what the heck?
There was what, a 300, but there was a 300 point 3-minute candle right off the rip. 730 to 490, so not quite 300 points, but enough to make me feel a little uncomfortable with anything.
Yeah, this is pretty wild price action here, guys. Just be careful out there. Make sure you size down on any of these trades. They're all moving quite substantial. Opening range is 30 points right now on ES, which is, you know, pretty good for ES.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Namit said maybe it's going to chop around this range whole day and do the move in later hours. Yeah, possible. Morning, Darren.
YM's coming back toward VWAP.
Oh, geez, man, why is so nasty?
This is intense. Gold's still going up. It's over 5,000 now. Got orders on the book above and below. So,
Well, hey, let's see what happens here. We're below the overnight view up again here.
Good morning, Darren. Johan says there's a nice candle on NQ. You got a really weird definition of nice.
Well, that was earlier. That was 644, so that was probably on these.
Okay.
That was on that original take of the overnight view up.
There's a rejection in New York. Got a little bit of a wick under it.
Yeah, New York's holding so far.
If it holds VWAP and rejects off it with some strength, I'm going to go for a long in YM. I'm going to wait for this 3-minute candle closure before I do anything. And this is why.
We do have some orders below on the book on NQ here. We got some down at 87. We got 750 and 700 on the downside. So 750 is the point of control. And 700 would sweep the pre-market lows. We have a bunch of stacked lows there down at the bottom, so. See, that's the thing about Dow today is it already swept the lows on that opening candle, and then it also went exactly and made equal highs with the London session before it turned around and came back down. So what the heck, man? I don't know. I feel like YM might be a no trader. I mean, the volatility's there to make some money. If you can get it in the right direction here.
So the low from yesterday was at 702, and that was at 645.
Yeah.
The orders on the book are they're insane right now.
For NQ or
For
YM?
For YM,
Yeah.
we got orders down at 640. We got them up at 780.
Bouncing around. Okay, we're going back long here again. Yes, Tim, this is account killer action 100%. Luke added another call on RUT. Nice. Nice. Very strong bounce here. I'm definitely not liking this price action though. It's like a barcode. Really big barcode.
Yeah. This is a barcode that'll just smoke your ass in about 30 seconds.
Yeah, these are all 40-point candles on NQ. So I'm gonna trade micros this morning if I do get into anything for sure.
Oh yeah, I'm not
This type of
touching
volatility.
minis. Not touching minis until this shakes out.
Could be slow and boring till 2 p.m. or fast and choppy, but yeah, no reason to enter, which is boring. So I agree with that. Let's take a look at the 15-minute while we got this open here. Okay, well, I mean, our opening 15-minute candle was pretty strong.
Gold still creeping up higher. $255 orders at 5,018.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Mr. Stewart.
Looking like we're going to invert this bearish fair value gap here in a moment. We can close this. There we go. Popping up here. See if we can't get a retest back in this bullish fair value gap here, or inverted fair value gap.
Kind of looks like it's going to be a trending day for gold.
Yeah. I took a pretty aggressive 5 micro long here on NQ. I'm going to be going stop break even. Hopefully, if we get a little pop here. Got 5 micros. Stop below the candle here, so I'm risking like 175 on this. Currently up 150 here. I'm gonna start trailing this stop here. Lock it up $90 right now. Okay, we're out there, 90 bucks here on that on this MNQ long with 5 micros. You got long 870. Nice job there, Namit. Trailing tight. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Making more money than me. Could have been a little more patient on that stop.
I just took a gold long.
Okay, nice. Yeah,
got it at 11.50. What's that?
Gold's looking pretty strong.
I just took it at 11.50. So
nice. Okay.
Down on it so far, but not. Not unhappy with my my entry.
Darren took a FOMO 1 micro long on ES, made 40 bucks and felt the itch, looking for a better, bigger size trade next. Yeah, there you go. At least you kept the size down if you're gonna FOMO it, right? Wonder if they're just gonna go sweep the highs here again, or are we just gonna keep going higher here? I'm gonna try to look at a higher time frame here and see what we might have above.
So on this gold trade, I got 500 in risk on a cash account with a take profit at 5,052.50.
That sounds good.
Above that level 3 band on VWAP, and if this continues to trend up all day, I'll do well.
Man, NQ, that's a bullet move. Whew. Wishing I held on to that a bit longer.
Yeah, well, if wishes were fishes,
we'd be eating good tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Pull back and long is probably the play once IB has set on NASDAQ or ES. Yeah.
I am in full agreement with that one. Got my finger over the exit button on this gold trade just in case it starts to pop down off that that level 2
It's at the
VWAP
second band there.
Second band. It's just been bouncing off of that second band here for a couple of minutes, so still in a little bit of profit, but I'm just waiting to see if it does what I expect it to and go up.
Namit said, have a feeling it could grind slow and higher. Yeah, it looks like it wants to do that right now. We are getting up to a key level though. You know, this pre-market high. And then also we do have a 30-minute bearish fair value gap above, which we're inside right now. So, and if we can get a closure above 25,000, that would invert this fair value gap. But it's on a 30-minute chart. So, and we just started a new 30-minute candle here.
So I just got an iceberg order alert at 5,025 on gold.
Okay. And iceberg means that it's a lot.
There are a lot of orders stacked to go simultaneously. Once one is filled, the next one gets filled. So they do them in full lots or in specific amounts. And then as soon as something gets bought or sold, the next order goes in, then the next one, then the next one, and they just keep on going. And that is pulling the price. So I'm going to move my stop loss into profit here. Actually, I'm going to move my stop to cover costs and commissions. Oh, hell yeah. Keep on going. No, don't come back down on me.
Come on, gold, up, 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 Johan said. Yes, we are right above London highs right now.
I just wanted to stay above London highs.
Well, gold's way above London highs. London high was 49.62. So.
Oh shit! Yeah.
Well above. We're talking about NQ right now.
It's going to be hard for me not to take profits early on this today.
Profits are profits. Because you're in at 1150, right?
1150, yeah.
Yeah, so you're up 10 points right now.
Should be up like, yeah, about $500 or so.
Nice.
Let me see. But, oh shit, I'm up 1,000.
Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. It's going.
Ooh.
10, 18, like 17 points there. Trading tight, holding well above short EMA. Short-term EMA. Damn. Well, I definitely shouldn't have got out of that trade when I did. Or I should have left a runner at least.
Hey, I'm up 0.5% on this account so far today, so
that's very nice.
I'm pretty stoked about that. 0.5%, and by 10 o'clock in the morning, I'm good. But there's a whole lot of buying
right
volume.
Through 25,000.
There's a whole lot of buying volume on this candle.
Oh yeah! Wow.
Gold. So I can't see any reason to.
5,830 contracts on that 5-minute candle. 25K touched, yes. Broke right through 25K. Sheesh, man.
Let's freaking go. Come on.
50-minute fair value gap swept. Still trailing. Nice job, Namit. Namit's in a really good trade here.
Nice. What's he in?
On NQ. And he got in around, I think it was 921, I think he said.
Awesome.
In Switzerland, by 28. Trade in Switzerland, by 23.
$870, sorry. He was in at 870.
That's a great trade.
Right after we inverted that fair value gap, the bearish fair value gap from pre-market, and then just blast off. All account 50K eval out at 30s. Nice. So you're still trailing it, or you got out on a little pullback to the 30s. Tim's long MES 6901 target. Oh, 6901 target 6925. There you go. Nice in the money. See your target. 25 is actually it's the all-time high VWAP, I think. So let me just take a look here at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, that's I have an all-time high VWAP running. And that's exactly where you're thinking about taking your profits. That's a nice little level to line up.
I just added one to my gold trade on this
Nice.
pullback.
On the pullback, yeah.
Got orders on gold at 5,028.
Made $300, Namit. Nice. We'll join the bulls next time. And he said stop loss moved to London high. Very good, very good. Makes sense. That way, if it pulls back on you, at least you locked in about three points or so, I would say. So we do have some room here. I have a trend line that I've had on here for some time, and we're kind of like on NQ about 60 points away from it. Could be interesting. This is a stark difference on the latest 5-minute candle here versus what we've seen so far. So this is just like staying right, not doing anything. Buyers, sellers having a bit of a battle right here.
Buyers and sellers are fighting it out in gold too. What are you looking at right now?
I'm looking at NQ. We do have a bullish fair value gap below. Well, I took an NQ long here. Stops in profit. Okay, locked it in. 110 here on my 5 take profit trader accounts. That was a quick little trade. 110 minus the minus fees. Could have, should have held it longer. Damn, would have been 500-600 right now. Sheesh. This is, I guess, get so aggressive with my stops there when I trade bigger size, especially. It's like I just don't want it to go the other direction and end up losing 300, 400, 500.
Makes you a little nervous.
Yeah, but I probably should just be sizing down in that case.
Yeah, I mean, you have a good read on the market 99% of the time. Just size down and continue to take payouts.
Because, yeah, that bounced 30 points from my entry right now, which would have been, I mean, with a mini is $20 to $600 with one mini. I waited for us to tap into that fair value gap, and I went long there. 06.
I'm locking in 350 with my add-in. I'm up a bit.
Namit says, I like the way you trade, bro, because it's similar to my style, watching fair value gaps all the time. Hey, thanks.
Yeah, you jokers and your fair value gaps. I'm just busting your balls. It works well for you.
Yeah, for sure. It's just another confluence.
If anybody's trading gold, we got 254 orders up at 29.50. So if it can break through this second band on VWAP, I'm expecting it to go up. If it keeps rejecting off it, I'm just gonna take the money and run. Those orders just moved up to 5,030.
Little explosion there on NQ. Ripping.
Getting a little bit of movement on gold here. It just went over that triple top and is pushing up on the second VWAP band.
Aaron's flat so far, being patient. Good job there. I mean, you got that. You scratched the itch early, and now you can be patient. Oh, you tried a quick short, gave back $40. Ooh, yeah. Shorts can be pretty hard to win right now. You gotta be super aggressive. Who knows when this is gonna turn around? So that trend line is up at 25,100. We got about 30 points still to get there.
Taking the money and running.
You taking
All right.
it? Nice. Good job. Nice trade. Nice
Thank
patience there too.
Thank you.
That was like a 20 plus minute trade.
I got in at 11:50, I believe, somewhere around there, and I just closed it at 24:21 after one mini add-on.
Nice.
And I did that add in at like 13, so
Nice.
averaged it out to 12. Took about 10 points on gold with 2 minis. Oh, I'm glad I got out when I did.
Yeah, pulled back pretty nice there. From 30 down to 23. So 7-point pullback. Yeah, that's crazy that you're getting notifications on the music, because this is literally all downloaded from the free YouTube music.
Yeah, I have no idea.
So
Hold on,
weird.
let me open up my email here while I'm not in a trade.
I'm gonna open up my YouTube thingy also here.
Yeah, I just got one a few days ago. Didn't get one yesterday.
What was the song? Did it say?
Hold on. I can spell. Oh, I just went to the wrong email. Sorry.
So I have a copyright from Sunday. last Sunday, Wakey Wakey, which I think might be from. Okay, so I'm gonna remove Wakey Wakey. That's too bad because that's that fun one where it's like do 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 do. So weird though they get those. And one on the previous Sunday, and it
So
was
there's
also Wakey
one.
Wakey.
Danny Shields.
What was the name? Sorry,
Danny Shields.
Danny Shields.
It's called Damon Power. Oh no, it's Wakey Wakey. Damon Power, Danny Shields. Sorry.
Okay, I removed Wakey Wakey now, so maybe that would be one of our last issues here. Yeah, Wakey Wakey, Damon Power, Danny Shields.
Got another one on a knife edge.
Okay, those ones gone. I got rid of that a while
gone.
ago too.
Insomniac.
That's gone also.
Billet. All right. Another one for Wakey Wakey.
It seems like it's mostly all Wakey Wakey.
That's what it's looking like.
Yeah.
Got a lot of Wakey Wakeys in here.
Yeah, me too. Okay, well
Play
that
that
one.
one more.
Hopefully that's the last one
All
then. On a knife edge and our lives. Yeah, I got rid of both of those.
I'll just let you know if I get any more.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, and then we'll just keep removing these guys. But I'm pretty sure the rest of these should all be only from YouTube now.
Who said they were bearish today? It was you, wasn't it?
That was me until we took New York or the overnight view up. But yeah. What does it mean? I don't know how to write it. Wakey Wakey. That's just the name of the song, Johan. And it's like this. Wakey Wakey. It's from Artlist.io, which should be royalty-free music too. So I don't understand why.
Yeah, well, who knows?
It even has like the watermark where it says Artlist.io, blah blah blah, right? So, no more of those though. We got rid of all of those. Should only be YouTube now.
Getting a little bit of a pullback on ES.
Yeah.
Took one good New York trade on gold. I'm not touching that for a little while though, because stalling out right at the between 25 and 30. NQ's got orders up at 100. It's got 212 orders up at 100. ES has got orders all the way up at 69.20. So that's not looking horrible.
Not much of a pullback there. And we're kind of consolidating here. It could be forming a bull flag.
Initial balance will be set in 4 minutes, so you know what? I'm going to use my handy dandy lockout.
Lockout?
Yep.
Nice.
Not trading for 4 minutes.
Okay. Why 4 minutes?
It's when the initial balance is going to be set.
Okay. Yeah, good call.
And yeah. I like this, the Traders Post command pad. You can lock yourself out for a specific amount of time, and it gives you little uplifting sayings. This is risk management working. Rules are greater than emotions, always. You followed the plan. Good job. Now's a great time for a word from our sponsor, Traders Post. Copy your shit.
Johan saw you yesterday on her TV. She watched your proper mat or your Traders Post interview.
Oh, which one?
Oh, there's a couple. So I think it was like the podcast style interview, or do you have multiple of those?
There's a couple of them in there.
Gotcha.
We were if it was the newer one, we were talking about the command pad and the copy, the Traders Post copier.
Yeah.
If it's the older one, I think it was during the interview, I got up to use the bathroom and there was a monkey in my bathroom. Or was I on the stream with you when that happened?
How you start, etc. So that was probably the very first interview.
Was I in the stream with you when I got up and there was a monkey in my bathroom?
Yeah. That's so hilarious.
It's nothing like getting up to go hit the head and you got a capuchin just sitting there looking at you like, what?
Yeah.
Trying to take a dump here. I ate too many bananas.
Johan's
this
like,
morning.
monkey in your bathroom? Question mark.
Yes, it was a monkey in my bathroom. It's better than the scorpions in my laundry room. Jeez.
Ooh, yeah, that's scary.
Yeah, I don't mess with those things. I just cut them in half.
Yeah. There we go. IB set. So we got an IB high of 25,076 on NQ here.
On ES, we got excuse me, I'm sorry. 6,919. Looks like it's pulling down off of that high day VWAP as well.
Mm-hmm.
Is price gonna stall on ES now? What's going on? Make a move. Pick a direction. Should I get off the pot? Do something.
Let's go.
How you feel about a mean reversion trade on ES?
What was that? Sorry.
How you feeling about a mean reversion trade on ES right now?
Could be, right? Until we get over that high day view up.
High day VWAP is currently 14. We're down at 10.
I took a little short scalp on NQ there on my TPT accounts. Fortunately, I have my top one futures account connected to my main screen. So I'm up 170 in 5 TPT accounts now on the day. So I should probably just leave those guys alone now. I'm pretty happy with that.
All right, we got that 3-minute candle closure. Now I am in a short on ES. See if this will pull down to 6,900.
We do have a bullish fair value gap, so I could definitely see us getting to, I think the middle of the fair value gap is 69.02.
All right.
And it could go a little deeper, but quite often we will get a pullback into those before the move higher, right? If it's going to make a move higher.
A 20-point trailing stop loss on this one, so
Nice. Okay.
on the small accounts, I've only got copy trading this one to the prop firms. So on the smaller accounts, I got 1 micro. On the larger ones, I got 3.
Okay. Nice. It's all set up.
Yeah. Now, word from our sponsor. Again, Traders Post, where I set up all my stuff.
Yeah.
Use code
Luke said
NICJF.
ping-ponging in this channel for the past 15 minutes. Yeah, it has been. It's kind of topped out here. Now, what's going to happen? Is it just going to play around in this area, or what? We'll have to see. Ralph just woke up. He might be a little hot. I got a blanket on him. I'm just gonna take it off real quick.
This is just a bullshit trade.
Yeah, Ralph was hot and thirsty. Hey, there's increasing odds. Good morning. If you get a pullback to 24,910, you're looking for longs. That's right at the New York VWAP. You can see that. And if that pullback happens, that works good for Nick's short here.
What is it we always say? Don't fight VWAP.
Yeah.
You will lose. Speaking of losers, I'm in one right now.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it did turn around there, hey? Looks like it found support right at the 9 EMA.
Just a couple minutes to play out. And it's toying with that high a day VWAP right now. Excuse me.
That was quite a strong recovery there on NQ. ES, similar, just kind of matched the exact candle on the pullback. Wonder if it's going to barcode here.
I want to see what this next candle starts printing before I get out of this.
How's our volume there? We did have a little bit of decreased volume on the buy back, but here we go. We're pushing up higher a bit now.
And I'm out. All right, lost 1,500 on that one.
Ooh. Because of so many accounts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thing is canceled. Good to go. All right.
What is that, like 25, 30 bucks per account or something?
Yeah, it was $30 per account.
When you say 1,500, it sounds so rough, but then when it's like, when you actually look at the math of it, you're like, it's not really that much
per account, man.
per account, right?
Yeah, $30 per account.
But it's like when you say lost 1,500 bucks, you're like, oh yeah, that seems like a lot. But in the account scale level, in the scale level, it's really not much. Like you can easily get that back.
Oh, $30 is
Good management.
I just didn't want to be fooling around and losing 50 per account because then it's 2,500.
Yeah.
Looks like this initial balance is a bit of resistance right now.
Yeah.
So we wait for a strong break or a strong rejection off of that. Maybe trade back to VWAP. Maybe get in on a new uptrend. ES has got orders up above. It's got 309 orders at 69.25. NQ's got 250 orders at 25,100. Another 100 orders at 125. 130 at 150. But price is still pulling down. So yeah, it's looking like that initial balance is the
Current roadblock.
yeah, that's the resistance level.
Holding high day view up currently. How long is this going to last? This is NQ anyways. Oh, it looks like I never started my coffee pot yet. I've been trying to not drink any coffee for like the first hour after I woke up. And so I pushed it a little bit longer today.
I don't know how you do that.
Well, I read that you're kind of like still shedding some hormones that are like sleep hormones. And then if you like drink your coffee too fast, it doesn't really let you release those. I don't know if they're hormones or whatever they are. So it's good to like wait an hour or so before you have your first coffee.
You don't need to release your hormones. Just tell her to be a little more quiet.
Yeah. Hey, be quiet. You're annoying me. Ralph's trying to sleep.
Don't wake up my dog, whore.
How dare you? An hour? Is it too long? I don't know. That's just what I heard from like a sleep expert video I was watching. They're saying if you can avoid having your first coffee for the first hour in the day, it's just good for your sleep cycles, I guess. I don't know.
You need to sleep.
And I also saw that there's a little hack is if you know you can get a 30-minute nap, like say you're really tired and you got like, for me, like I got to stream later, whatever. So what I've been doing is you actually drink some caffeine and then go to nap right away because it takes 30 minutes for your nap there for the caffeine to get absorbed into your body. So if you can drink the caffeine, go to sleep right away for your nap, you actually clear some of those again, those, I think they're hormones or something that makes you feel tired. I can't remember what they are now. But then after you wake up, the caffeine actually binds into those receptors that make you feel tired. And then those like whatever little sleep hormones or whatever don't get the chance to bind in there. So it makes you feel awake. So it takes 30 minutes for the caffeine to get absorbed into your body. So that's why it's like a tight window where you can like drink some caffeine, go to sleep, clear some of the sleep hormones, and then have it blocked by the caffeine when you wake up.
Basically what you're saying is now in order for me to get a decent nap, I have to do complex mathematical equations based on the amount of coffee that I'm drinking, how long I want to sleep, and then a neurochemical binder.
Yeah, pretty
Come
much.
on.
Well,
He was
talking about
drink your
like
coffee and shut the fuck up already.
yeah, no doubt. Yeah, he was
The
talking about
hell
like
have you
if
been
you're
watching?
a CEO at a business and you've been working long hours, you need to get in that nap. It's like this is a little hack that you could use to like wake up extra sharp. But yeah,
Cool. Well,
sounds like
what I
a lot
want
of
to know, what have you been watching?
Yeah, they did. They told us a lot of things. Johan said, yeah. Yes, they have. Well, NQ looks like you're trying to take the initial balance here. Again, just finding some resistance up at that level. Too complicated? Drink your coffee and that's it? Yeah, that's exactly what Nick just said.
That's what I'm saying.
Skip the nap, just drink the coffee, you're good. Block those receptors.
And apparently you're listening to a hormone. They all carry Coke on them, so just get some of that.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Just do a quick one and woo, let's go.
No, thank you.
No.
I'll
No,
stick
thank
to
you.
caffeine.
Yeah. I'll stick with my caffeine before my 30-minute nap.
Let me know how that works out for you.
So far, it's been working good. I've been using it before my streams lately, so
Okay.
literally drink
Cool,
like
cool.
a cup of tea and then go take a nap. So yesterday's stream, I ended up getting having, let's see, had 515 views. You drink a latte right after you wake up, and I'm alive. Nice.
And mainline
Interesting,
two
though,
shots.
Monday was our best, one of our best viewership for the open streams. We usually get between 20 and 30 viewers on the day, and on that day we got 70 because it's a Monday holiday and there's less other traders live.
Say, was that the day you announced you were going to do your live streams with your shirt off?
Yeah, that was a draw on liquidity.
You're on Dave's man titties is more like it.
We got the moves out today. What's going on?
Very much like to see some sort of movement here.
Yeah, starting to get a bit of a pullback here. Still holding that high debut up. They're trying to trick out those people that just went long on the break of the IB. Yeah, I got 500, Johan. 528, I think it was now. 523. And I officially submitted to the YouTube monetization thingy. So it takes a little time to get approved. So I got the review is in progress. They gotta make sure that my YouTube channel complies with the monetization policies.
So no more talking about hookers and coke.
Yeah, we're a little limited on the scope of things now.
Damn it.
It's so funny, hey, the way you have your arm, there's like this little square white block because you can see the wall behind you. It's like almost perfectly square. I was like, what's that on your screen? And then I looked closer. I'm like, oh yeah, it's actually just the wall in the background.
I'm taking a calculated risk here.
Yeah.
There's a long on ES. There we go.
Yeah, it's trying to go here. It's been holding that opening range high, or sorry, initial balance high.
I'm gonna pull an asshole move here and lock in 25 bucks in profit. All right, this is working out in my favor. Up 350. Locking in 100. Not expecting any huge move right now with the volume being so low.
I closed one. I had 3 micros long there also on the NQ. I closed one so far. I took one off. I got another order here. I'm going to put it right at 100. If we can't tick up there, I'm going to drag up my stop a little bit more here into profit. Currently up about 40 bucks. See if we can't get one more off here.
You said you're trading 3 micros?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is on, I'm on 2 minis right now.
Whoa, nice. Come on, 25-100. Let's go. Might get stopped out here. Yeah, stopped out on the pullback. So I made 40 bucks in that trade. Not bad on 3 micros.
I just got stopped out. Took my $200 on that.
Nice. Phil Suarez, hey, what did I miss? I was shorting MGC green for the day. Oh yeah, nice. So you obviously shorted up at the top there? Because we've been rolling over from 50.30, 5,030 down to 5,015. Nice job, Phil. Nice job, Nick. $200 on that trade.
This is a quick little scalp. Happy with it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, his gold trade looks great.
You're short 524, hey? Nice.
That's like that's just about as perfect as you can get for a gold short today.
Yeah.
You
Maybe
trading
something you don't
VWAP
want to hold
bands
forever,
or
but-
yeah, not considering it's been an uptrend all day. Are you trading VWAP bands? Are you trading fair value gaps? What are you doing here? Tell us a story.
Yeah, Phil. What are you using for your levels and whatnot? If you feel like saying it. No pressure. Well, good thing I stopped out where I did there. It's a little bit lower than my exit. And it never got to 100. It got to 99.50. So my second order never would have got tagged anyways. So 2-minute chart, 9 and 21 EMA. Nice. Okay. Yeah, that's what I use also. Okay, yeah, we got below the 9. And then we kind of, what happened with this? It looks like the 9 and the 21 ended up crossing actually on the 2-minute. Interesting. But yeah, I could definitely see if you use that for the entry there. We were kind of above it, above, finally broke it, tried to break back above it, rejected, little indecision candle above it, and then cleanly took below it again. So that's right around that place where you were saying you got your entry. So nice job.
That's a good trade.
Getting a bit of a battle here on NQ, right between the 85 and 90 level here. Price is just kind of doing one of those up, down, up, down, up, down. You know, they're having a pretty good battle at that point. We'll have to see if the you know, the shorts can overpower the longs here for a bit of a deeper pullback potentially.
Thinking it's going to happen. We just created another high of day over the initial balance, and it's been holding over the initial balance and previous day's VWAP for the past 20 minutes, almost 20 minutes.
Playing with this trend line that I've had in here for some time. We're just, that last candle, we wicked right to it.
I should at some point learn how to draw trend lines on the chart.
It's just another added confluence, you know. I don't give it too much weight, but they often work. So, but if it's lining up with, you know, you got the trend line and you got VWAPs or other things, including fair value gaps all together, just kind of like gives you another little reason as to be why to be long or short, right? So
Yeah.
I call them Tory tan lines.
Tory tan lines?
Yeah. Have you seen Tory trades before? You must have seen her.
Oh yeah.
She's all about her trend lines, right?
Okay. I don't pay that much attention to her. I think because she trades using trend lines.
Yeah.
Not that I have an issue with it. It's just not my thing.
Yeah, for sure.
I've seen some of her. Where the hell did I see? Oh, on the day trading show, I saw her.
Okay, yeah. Day trading show, is that Austin's?
Yeah, that's his weekly podcast.
He had Tory trades on there? Crazy.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah, so it's a little
I mean,
joke
she's
about the Tory tan lines.
I mean, she's a good trader. She, I believe she swing trades. I don't think she's a day trader. I think she's a swing trader. So, yeah, it's just not my style, but I mean, it seems to be working for her. So good for her.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
Yeah,
she
I
likes to
won't,
trade middles. So
Yeah, I will not ever tell somebody their trading strategy is wrong or make fun of them about it.
yeah.
It's just, sometimes it's just not for me.
Yeah, well, one thing is sort of like you is she keeps it pretty simple, right? She doesn't use 10 different indicators, like, and that's kind of your style too, right? You got your main indicator and you're looking at price action outside of that. So
No, I don't really, I haven't taken any deep dives into her trading. So does she offer a course? Maybe I'll take it.
yeah, she does. I think so.
Oh, does she really?
Oh yeah.
Of course. All right, we got a little breakout above
Nice
higher
rip
day
there.
VWAP on NQ. It looks like, yep, new high day.
There you go.
There are orders up above, so this might be a
Oh, nice little
lunch. Yeah, this might be the lunchtime continuation. Only thing I'll say about this is at 1:30, watch for a pullback.
missing out on a nice little move here. That's too bad.
I'm okay with missing this. It's not moving that much, and yeah. There are orders up above though on NQ on the book map, and it's pretty dark below. CBD is at 11,700, which awesome. Awesome if you've been long since beginning of the day.
Johan said, "Wish you guys a great day. I have to go." All right, Johan. Have a good day.
Have a good one.
Kind of
A
missed that. That was
pleasure as
3 minutes
always.
ago.
Probably already gone.
Yeah. One of our usual suspects.
Okay. All right. I'm yawning. I'm going to grab a coffee. I'll be back.
Yeah, pretty bullish here for the last, what has been 2 days in a row now, finally. Getting some bullish moves here. Currently up 40 bucks here in this short on NQ. I covered one contract. We're chasing it down here with the stop. About $48 in profit here, 50. Gonna get a little more aggressive here. Lock it in at the bottom of this candle at 88. Let's see if we can't get a little bit more here. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Probably gonna stop me out here though, but I'm okay with that. Locking in about 50 bucks profit on this final micro here. I thought I had NQ open on this chart, but it seems that I didn't. Probably gonna bounce here and stop me out, but I'm okay with it. There we go. So we're up 92 in this top one futures account. So pretty much green across the board today. Not bad, not bad. Nice little short there. I took the risk up at the highs here. Entered sort of, you can see right there, what is this, 112 with a tight stop as we started wicking back down. Tight stop right above the highs. Covered one pretty quickly at 107 area. So I took 5 points on the first micro, covered that one, put the stop to break even on the remainder, and then trailed it down here. Got pretty much to the bottom of this other candle. So not bad. Yeah, 92 in this top one futures account on 2 micros. 2 trades with 2 micros each. How's the chat doing, guys? Let's do a quick poll here.
Quick poll. What are you, dancing again?
Yeah, let's do a quick pole dance, guys, real quick, while we're at it. Did I
Do
forget
that.
to upload a thumbnail this morning? Maybe I did.
I don't know. That's all you, man. I don't touch that stuff.
Because I just see it's like it's not showing a thumbnail. Usually it does, so, but it's all good. Let's go. Let's do a quick poll here.
the poll: French press, drip, or espresso?
There we go, guys. I put it in the chat there, green, red, or flat. It's totally anonymous, so if you guys want to click that, you can let us know how you're doing. Hopefully everybody's green.
And we're all friends here. Nobody's going to judge you if you're red.
Yeah, it happens for sure.
Happens to everyone, often.
We got 2 votes so far, both green. So, okay. Nice. Nice. That's good. Glad to hear it. I'm just going to grab a coffee. Be right back 1 sec here. So we got 3 votes. Everyone's green so far. That's great.
Hoorah.
So I'm guessing that Phil, increase the odds, Luke are all green. That's my guess.
Don't
I know Luke was long on RUT. So.
Let's start long on NQ right now. Looking for a continuation here.
We got a little dump of snow day before yesterday here. And it's sunny today. Quick little changeover.
It is currently 89 degrees and sunny. I'm in my outdoor office.
You're outdoor right now?
Yeah.
Nice. I mean, if it was that warm here, I'd want to trade outdoor also.
I just pull my desktop and my laptop outside and try and enjoy the weather while I can enjoy it.
Yeah. You got a desktop you take out there too? So when you're trading day to day, you're on a desktop?
Yeah, I brought my desktop down this time.
Oh, nice.
So I've got my laptop and my desktop.
Sweet. Okay, so we got 4 votes in the poll here, and 100% green. So that's always good. Good for the chat. So you guys were long, obviously, with us. 5 votes green now. Look at that. We just got one more. So you guys must be getting a little bit of value from these two old men trading. if not a little bit of comedy, mostly from Nick, but
I wouldn't call it comedy. Ridiculous bullshit, maybe, but not really a comedian.
So we're like playing with that trend line now here. Playing with Tory tan line here. Right at the 25-100 level.
Better be careful with that. You might start getting hate mail by some of her fans. I was thinking about setting up an OnlyFans and putting a video camera under my desk just so you can watch what my feet are doing.
Oh yeah. Paint your toenails and stuff, and
oh no, just put like
draw a little green and red candles on them.
Yeah, do a little like a pan of pudding and just swish my feet in it.
While you stepped away there, I did take a short on NQ, and I locked.
Yeah, I heard
about 50-ish bucks. Yeah.
Look at you making money hand over fist.
Yeah, it was a pretty nice looking trade. Anyways, I shorted up way at the highs. I covered one pretty quickly, only $10 profit, but then the other one I covered for 48. So. Just barcoding up here at the highs. Like 3, 4, 5 minute candles in a row, just up, then down, then up, then down. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to wrap it up here in 10 minutes.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
I'm pretty relatively green across the board anyways. Only 93 in my 150K combine. It's not quite what I need. This account's up almost 4K on it. So it's getting close to halfway to its to pass it. Chris B, do you ever trade crypto? No, I haven't been trading crypto at all. I did in the past. You know, I've traded like on FTX back when FTX was before it collapsed and took everybody's money. I was trading it on there, and you know, I hold some crypto, but it's more of a long-term hold. I don't really day trade crypto.
And I don't trade crypto at all. Not even a little bit. I don't trade crypto. I don't trade Forex.
Nice, yeah. I had some questions again on Forex yesterday. People are like, so is Forex better than, or is futures better than Forex? So,
absolutely it is.
Yeah. So I listed a bunch. I said, I don't trade Forex. I don't know much about it, but here's what I know about futures that I think is better than Forex kind of idea. So what do I hold? I hold Bitcoin, Solana, SUI, SUI, XRP, Aerodrome, and I think that's about it. Mostly majority of my money's in Bitcoin though. Luke, you voted red? Oh no. Your longs. didn't make you money or what? Yeah, we have 7 votes, 86% green and 14% red, and 0 flat.
Green is good. So let's look at why do we have 1 red?
He took a 70 loss on RUT.
Oh, okay.
Now inputs on the SPY. Okay. Did you add to that RUT long or what? Or did you cut it like on a pullback early? Because it was ping-ponging in that channel for a while. Gold pulled back to the VWAP there. Looked like it finding some support. 5,013. All right, guys, I'm going to end the poll there. Thank you for everyone who did vote. Appreciate it. 7 people voted out of the 11 people in the stream.
That was a nice turnout. Yeah, I think it's about time to end the day.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Volume's gone, and I'm not willing to take another trade right now, so.
Sounds good
right.
to me.
It is 10:30 in the morning. I'm going to go do something fun now.
Nice.
So I will see you mañana.
Sounds good, Mr. Nick, sir.
Goodbye, everyone. Hope you have a lovely day.
Yes, sir.
And what day is today? Wednesday?
Wednesday, yes.
So I'll see you tomorrow for another Thunder Thursday.
Yes, sir.
All right. See you tomorrow.
Okay, thanks, Nick. See ya. All right, guys. Well, let's do my usual little shout out here at the end of the stream. We'll wrap it up. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Phil Suarez, Luke, protect your neck. Wayne, hey Wayne, good morning. Chris B, Johan, increase the odds. Darren does things. Nambit, nice trades earlier, Nambit. Tim Korth in the house. And I think, and Keith. Keith was also here, yes. Keith was one of our first comments this morning, so thanks a lot, everybody. It was good to see you. We'll be live again tomorrow morning, and then I'll be doing an evening stream Thursday night also. So tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, hope to see you guys there. You guys, peace out. Have a great day, and we will talk to you later. See ya.